Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's changing how people invest their money. Robo-Advisors. If you've ever wanted to invest, but felt overwhelmed or confused, this video is for you. Let's break it down together. So, what exactly is a robo-advisor? Simply put, a robo-advisor is an online platform that helps you manage your investments automatically. Instead of hiring a human financial advisor, you use a computer program. This program uses algorithms to create and manage your investment portfolio. Let's see how robo-advisors work in simple steps. 1. Getting started. When you first sign up, the robo-advisor will ask you some questions. They want to know about your financial goals. Are you saving for retirement, a house, or maybe just for fun? They will also ask about your risk tolerance. This means they want to know how much risk you're willing to take. Are you okay with the idea of losing some money for the chance to make more? Or do you prefer safer options? 2. Creating your portfolio. Based on your answers, the robo-advisor will create a personalized investment plan for you. This plan will suggest how to divide your money among different types of investments, like stocks and bonds. Pauses for emphasis. Stocks are shares of companies, and they can be risky but offer high potential returns. Bonds are loans to companies or governments and are generally safer but offer lower returns. 3. Automatic management. Once your portfolio is set up, the robo-advisor manages it for you. This means they will buy and sell investments automatically based on market conditions and your goals. They often rebalance your portfolio too. This means adjusting the mix of investments to keep your risk level where you want it. Now, let's talk about the benefits of using robo-advisors. 1. Low cost. One of the biggest advantages is their cost. They usually charge lower fees than human advisors. This means you can keep more of your money for yourself. 2. Accessibility. Robo-advisors are available to anyone with an internet connection. You don't need a lot of money to get started. Some platforms let you invest with just a small amount. 3. Simplicity. The whole process is straightforward. You answer a few questions, and the robo-advisor takes care of the rest. This makes investing less stressful, especially for beginners. 4. 24/7 availability. Unlike human advisors, robo-advisors are available anytime. You can check your investments or make changes whenever you want, day or night. 5. Diversification. Robo-advisors help you diversify your investments. This means spreading your money across different assets to reduce risk. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket. So, who should use robo-advisors? Here are a few types of people who might benefit. 1. Beginners. If you're new to investing and don't know where to start, robo-advisors can guide you through the process. 2. Busy people. If you have a full schedule and don't have time to manage your investments, a robo-advisor can handle it for you. 3. Those with limited funds. If you don't have a lot of money to invest, robo-advisors allow you to get started without a huge initial investment. 4. People who prefer hands-off investing. If you want to invest but don't want to deal with the day-to-day management, a robo-advisor is a perfect fit. While robo-advisors have many benefits, they're not for everyone. Here are some limitations to consider. 1. Lack of personal touch. Robo-advisors use algorithms, which means you won't get personalized advice like you might from a human advisor. If you have specific financial situations or complex needs, you might want a human touch. 2. Limited investment options. Some robo-advisors offer a narrow range of investment choices. If you're looking for niche investments or specific strategies, you might not find them. 3. No emotional support. Investing can be emotional, especially during market downturns. A robo-advisor won't be there to reassure you like a human advisor might. 4. Market risks. Like any investment, using a robo-advisor doesn't guarantee profits. You still need to understand that your investments can lose value. If you decide to use a robo-advisor, here are some tips for choosing the right one. 1. Fees. Look at the fees charged by different platforms. Some may have hidden costs, so make sure to read the fine print. 2. Investment options. Check what types of investments are offered. Do they align with your goals and risk tolerance? 3. User experience. Consider how easy the platform is to use. A good user interface can make a big difference in your experience. 4. Customer support. Look for a robo-advisor that offers good customer support. You want to be able to reach someone if you have questions. 5. Reviews and reputation. Do some research on the robo-advisor's reputation. Look for reviews and feedback from other users. In conclusion, robo-advisors are an exciting development in the world of investing. They make it easier and more affordable for anyone to start investing and manage their money. While they have some limitations, they're a great option for beginners, busy individuals, and those who prefer a hands-off approach. If you're interested in investing but don't know where to start, consider giving a Robo-Advisor a try. It might just be the right tool to help you reach your financial goals. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content on personal finance and investing. See you next time.